Hey everyone, this is Dr. Josh Pletzinger, functional medicine and sports medicine specialist. I'm also the developer of the RPA Health Systems. Welcome to my channel. Health, wellness, and medicine have evolved tremendously in the last couple of years. And believe it or not, there are many real solutions to chronic wellness issues such as metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes and autoimmune conditions and even mental health challenges. Unfortunately, this information is not common knowledge, so I've created this channel to share my passion and knowledge with you in my mission to bring an end to chronic wellness issues for good. So I'm real excited to share with you this new approach to achieving and optimizing your best health. On the flip side, I'm a sports enthusiast and devoted hockey nut, all right? With a significant history of hockey injuries and my own health challenges growing up, I set out to build a career helping athletes optimize athletic performance. So these two disciplines I have of care couldn't be more opposite of each other, but they are my love and passion for what I provide and why I provide personalized natural health care. On my YouTube channel, you'll find videos packed with reliable information and evidence-based tips to keep yourself and your family healthy so that you can live life to its fullest. On this channel, hey, it's for everyone. Whether you just want to learn a little bit more about a functional integrative medicine approach to your health, or you're looking to optimize wellness and performance, I'm sure you'll find a video on it in here. And if you're interested in learning more about how I help people just like you be their best, visit my website at joshuabletzingerdc.com or check out the video description for a link to connect one-on-one with me. So here's to your health and to your wellness. This is Dr. Josh Pletzinger with the RPA Health Systems. I will talk with you soon.